The Executive Secretary of Pension Transitional Arrangement Directorate, PTAD, Tolulope Odunaiya, says the Directorate has disbursed over 1 trillion naira to pensioners under the defined benefit scheme since its establishment. She made this known in Abuja during a one-day capacity building workshop for pension correspondents and online editors. Represented by the Director of Corporate Services, Kabiru Yusuf, Ms. Odunaiya said PTAD has worked tirelessly to transform pension payment processes in Nigeria, and the results are now evident.
Over the years, PTAD has worked assiduously to change the narrative of pension payment in Nigeria, especially under the defined benefit scheme. And we are proud and delighted to see that the hard work has yielded and has continued to yield positive results.
She explained that the workshop is part of effort to strengthen PTAD's long-standing partnership with the media, correct misconceptions, and highlight new initiatives aimed at improving the welfare of pensioners.
Intention to foster the already robust relationship between PTAD and the media, correct all misrepresentations, and inform them of the next steps we intend to take as we work hard to ensure that the welfare of our pensioners is sustained.
The training session also sought to deepen journalists' understanding of PTAD's mandate, operations, and future plans. CNN News.